Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your second Gmail account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Safari here, and in my browser here, you can use Google Chrome as well. I'm going to type an account, thegoogle.com, and now it will bring up this page. If I want to remove my second account, I can tap this little profile link at the very top right here. And what you want to make sure is that you are currently logged into the account that you don't want to remove. So you can see, I don't want to remove my first account. I do want to remove this How to APS account. To remove that account, I can tap on it here and it will switch to it. And then I can tap on the profile link at the very top right here and hit sign out of all accounts. Now that I've done that, I can hit remove an account at the very bottom, and it gives me the ability to remove an account completely from Google. Now, this doesn't delete your account. All of the information is still there. But if you go to google.com or anything like that, or you go to log into your Gmail, it won't pop up with that account. So you just tap that little minus button right there, and it says remove account. And this account will no longer be used with Google services in this browser. Sign in when you're ready to use this account again, and then you can just hit yes, remove right there, and it will remove this account from your iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter. It'll just sign you out and remove that account from your web browser. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.